Hello. Speaking. Who? Commodity. Fragrances. Of course. Yes, I remember. Yes. How are you? Good. I'm well, thank you. Oh, you've got a new one coming out. Great. That's great news. You want to send me a bottle? Sure. Yeah. I'd love it. What's it called? Jews. Yeah, look, I'm not really political. Oh, juice. Yeah, juice. Okay, like drinking juice. Right, got it. Bad connection. Yep. I'll send you my address. Yeah, I'll text you my address. Yeah, cool. Hey, do I have to do like a review for this? Up to me. Cool. And if I do one, and if I don't, what if I don't like it? My discretion. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I'm a pro. Yeah, I'm a pro. Don't worry. Yep. Cool. All right. Cheers. Thanks. Oh. Have they even seen my videos? Okay. This is my address. Send. Wow. The fuck is that? That was quick. That was really quick. What am I going to do with this? Oh, I've got to film it. What if I unbox it and I don't like it? What happens then? Do I say it's crap? I can't say it's crap. This will be the last bottle that they ever send me. I'll have a practice run. Let's see how this works. Juice. Right. It's probably for kids. Okay, where's my thing? Let's go. Is this sharp? Ow. Fuck. Juice me up, baby. It's a big box. Ooh, fancy. Let's see what's in here. Oh. All the juicy details. Hello, Raffi. That's me. I couldn't be more excited to share our newest fragrance, Juice, as a valued partner. I'm a partner? Nice. We hope you enjoy and can't wait to find out which is your favorite scent space. Your support means the world to us, and we're so grateful to have you in our community. XX Tanya and the Commodity team. This looks handwritten. This can't be handwritten. Is it? Crazy. Oh, mad. Are these tester strips? They are too. Sick. Nice. Okay. Juice. We got 3 juices. Okay. Personal, expressive, bold. I remember this. I remember this from the scent space thing. The scent space thing, it's like if it's personal, it's like you got like a little skin scent thing going on. Expressive is your regular stuff, which expresses to like just around people around you. And then bold means you want to be smelled before you walk in the room. Cool. I like juice, the liquid obtained from squeezing your berries. Great marketing. Okay. Nice. So you got expressive, juice with violet leaf, and then this one, which is not expressive. What was that one? Oh no, that's not expressive. Expressive, personal, expressive, vetiver and patchouli. Okay, I got it. This is the main juice. The main juice. That's a pretty heavy bottle. And I like that. Matte finish on the glass. I like frosted glass as well. Matte finish. All right. I'm excited. I was expecting a wad of cash, but that's missing. All right. Maybe next time. Maybe the rumors aren't true. Shills don't get a wad of cash. All right, here we go. I'm going to stop pretending that you're not here. Hello. I'm doing a thing. Hold on. Let me get my juice. I've got my juice, which is my coffee bean juice. This is grown-up juice, baby. Let's see. So Commodity was kind enough to send me their newest one, which I think releases in like 2 days. Today being the 15th of June. juice, June. And 2 more days, two and a bit more days. I think this is coming out on the 18th of June in the Americas. So it will be a different day. So like I live 10 hours in the future from all you Americans. So hello from the future. Anyway, this was sent to me by Commodity. I don't generally get stuff sent to me from fragrance houses. So this is a nice change. I guess I'm a shill now, and all of my opinions are beholden to this large monolithic corporation, and I love all of it, even though I haven't tested it. There you go, review done. Now, let's get to actually spraying this stuff on. Seriously, folks. This was actually pretty good presentation. I wasn't expecting like an enormous box like this, and that was very nice of them. The whole thing is here. It looks like a handwritten card, but I don't think it is. That's great font, by the way. And a full bottle of Commodity Juice, which is the new thingy. And this is the Expressive one in terms of scent space, because Commodity has this whole scent space thing going on, which means you can have each fragrance of theirs in 3 different versions. You can have like this personal one, which comes in like the white and clear bottles, the clear bottles with the white labels. And that means that basically you're going to be on a crowded train or in like a really small space, and you don't want to, or you want to respect other people's nostrils. You get this. This one is your regular everyday one. And then this one is if you want to kill people with your scent, or maybe it's like for like projecting onto others. Hey, smell me from over there. And so I wear this one. This is the bold. And they give me the tester strips are included in the pack. But you know what? I don't need tester strips because I bathed today. I knew this was coming, and I was like, well, it's time for my biannual shower, folks. So I'm all clean and unfragranced. So my skin, which is the best indicator of how things are going to smell on me, is unfragranced. And it is quite late. It is quite late here. I always do my videos very late in the evening. And yes, I am drinking coffee at almost midnight because I don't like sleep. Sleep is overrated. I feel like I'm missing out on something if I'm sleeping. So I'm not going to do it anymore. Let's see how long I last. Anyway, I don't think I want to go for Expressive on my skin right now, because if I head off to bed pretty soon, then maybe I won't be able to get to sleep because I'll just be smelling this all the time. So I'm going to put this one. This is the personal one. I'm going to put this on my skin. Let's see how that works. So nice. Ooh, fruity. Yes, this is violet leaf in here. Violet leaf, but it's like it's not a deep and dark violet leaf. It's really bright. Mixed with, it's a fruity violet leaf. It's like a violet leaf juice, maybe, if it was like all sugarized and candied. Yeah, okay. Interesting. Maybe I'm a bit too old for this fragrance. I'm not sure. Maybe this is not the one for me. Ripe red fruits. Lovely. I'm going to go with, and now, that's a hefty cap as well. I like this. I like the presentation, guys. It's really cool. I like the sort of minimalist, and the feel of these surfaces is really well thought out. It's not just your regular stupid thing. It's really good. My words are failing me. That's a very long throw on the atomizer. You could perfume other people with this from here. Maybe this, if you want it to be really bold, extra bold, you perfume others. And so I like perfuming others, which basically means I can smell it on them as they walk around me instead of just me getting an osmic to it. It's actually a really good idea to spray your favorite fragrance on other people. Oh, that's more like it. This is a bit more deeper, right? A bit more deeper. And there's strawberry. Ripe red fruits. Strawberries, raspberries. What else is in here? Rhubarb. And of course a base of amber wood. Everyone's favorite aroma chemical. All right. I would actually wear this, which is good because there's a massive bottle of it. So I would actually wear this. I really like it. And I'm not just saying that. I actually mean it. The first impressions are good. But then again, this is supposed to be really mass appealing. It's not a challenging niche sort of scent or anything like that. It's just there. And bubblegum, man. It's like the Hubba Bubba. It's like the red Hubba Bubba, but less cloying than that one, because that one you can tell it's like super sugary. This one it's got a little bit of tartness to it. I think that's coming from the raspberry. Oh, it does feel very pulpy. It's not over-ripened fruit. It's actually perfectly balanced in between ripeness and sweetness. Really cool. It's got almost like a sheen of like something cool running through it. And some kind of chemical that's actually making it, some kind of aroma chem that is making it feel like it's cooling. It's fruity, but it's cool, like a fruit cocktail, like a fruit-based cocktail in the summertime. Now, I'm in winter, and this is being released in the States just in time for their summer, just in time for your summer. And this is going to be the big summer banger, and I can see why. Really nice, really nice. I'm going to have a go at the other one as well before my nostrils give out. I like this. This is a great idea. Any fragrance house that is actually not sending out tester strips is doing a disservice to their clientele. All right. Let's have a go at this one. This is the Bold. Ooh. Oh, hey, I like this one more. And I knew I would, because this is the same thing as this. The Bold is the same thing as this, but they've added vetiver and patchouli, which is grown-up notes. Yeah. That's way better. This is a summer night. This is a summer nighttime scent. Yeah, clubbing for sure. Not that I go anymore, because, those days are well behind me, but maybe date night. Like it. Very unisex, as a matter of fact. I think these days men can pull off scents like this as well. Really cool. All right. Well, I think that's it in terms of a first impression and unboxing. I'm pretty impressed, I have to say, Commodity. But yeah, before we head off, let's see how the openings have sort of faded. Yeah, this has become really almost like a fruity, musky kind of thing going on here in the personal one. Yeah, almost like a sweet skin kind of smell. And it's good because it's personal, and then when you get up close and personal, it's really nice, inoffensive. And I'd probably say suited for a young lady more than anybody else. That's just me. That's just my old head talking. But that's what it feels like to me. Maybe I'll give this to my daughter or one of my daughters, and they will suit this scent perfectly. Now, the next one, which was the big bottle Expressive. Yeah, summertime outside in the sun, mad fun. Parties, mad fun. That's good. That's good. It's like I said, there's this cooling sort of sensation coming. It's not, there's no mint in there, right? But there's like ice. I don't know how they make it smell like that. Oh man, maybe now I got to wear it on skin. I'll do that tomorrow, but hell, that's pretty good. And the last one, Juice Plus, which was this one, which is the Scent Space Bold. It's the same deal, but the vetiver and the patchouli are in here, right? It's not like a dirty, earthy patchouli either. It's dry, and it's not chocolatey either. But the vetiver is, let's say, it's a commercial use of vetiver. It is not the smoky sort of type of dark vetiver that you would find in like a sycamore or an encre noir or something like that. Very clean type of vetiver that has the gingery sort of effervescent sort of qualities amped up. Just very clean. That cooling sensation is still here, but it's not as present as it is in the Expressive. This is my favorite. The Bold is my favorite. So scent-based bold, Juice Plus. Juice Plus is my favorite out of the three. And that's what I would go for because I'm a little older, a little bolder. So I guess bold would suit me just fine. And I am bold, so bold and bold. The bold and the beautiful, I guess. I will come back. I always say I'm going to recap stuff, but I will recap. I did recap a video before this as well. If you haven't caught that one, catch that one, where I recapped a massive haul. But this was cool. This is really cool. Thank you so much. Once again, I very much appreciate the House of Commodity for thinking about an Australian all the way from America. They've sent this stuff over, and I very much appreciate that. And my opinions are all my own. If I didn't like it, I would say I didn't like it. But you can't not like this one. It's just so cheerful. Yeah. Cheerful summertime vibes, man. How could you not like that? Anyways, that was me, and that was my review and first impressions and unboxing of the new one from Commodity, which is called Juice. And of course, there is a Juice Minus, or Juice Minus. Juice Minus, is this going to come up here? It's too bright. Do this. Juice Minus, and then Juice Plus, this one. And the main juice, that one. And as always, thanks for watching.